I've seen better days, but I've also seen worse. I don't have everything that I want, but I do have all the things that I need. I woke up with some aches and pains, but I woke up. My life may not be perfect, but I am blessed. Aid Atlanta is a non-profit organization located in Midtown Atlanta, which target focuses the devastating impact of HIV and AIDS on in gay men in Atlanta. Like many others, I have witnessed this disease firsthand. My uncle has been living with the HIV virus ever since 1980. My mother found this organization for him after he was released from prison many years later. This organization has helped him find housing and helps him keep his medication on track. I can sympathize with anyone dealing with a family member who is currently living with this virus. Today I will tell you what issues prompted the development of this organization. Then I will tell you more about this nonprofit organization. And lastly, I will inform you how you can become a part of this amazing organization. Now that I have told you what we're going to talk about, let's get started with why we need this organization. As stated by AidAtlantaOrg.org, the agency was established in response to the devastating impact of HIV and AIDS having on gay men in Atlanta. The issue is particularly acute for young gay and bisexual black men. Emory University did a study that followed a group of Atlanta area men ages ranging between 18 to 39 who had sex with men during 24 months and found that 12.1% of black men under age 25 contracted HIV, compared with only 1% of the white men under 25. One of the highest figures of HIV incidence ever in the population in the resource-rich world, according to National AIDS Manual. AIDS is the leading cause of death among black people in Georgia, ages from 35 to 44. According to the State Department of Public Health, about half the patients diagnosed with HIV has already had clinical AIDS. That being said, this means that they have the virus for years and not received the sort of treatment that would prevent further deterioration of the immune system. I've just explained to you the causes of this disease, and now I'm going to talk to you about what others are doing to help. Is it right for us as a society to disown the people living with this virus? Should we blame them for their own sexual preference? I could never imagine doing so. I'm pretty sure a lot of others feel the same. Aid Atlanta is a nonprofit organization serving the Atlanta area. According to Aid Atlanta official website, it was founded by Graham Burson in 1982 to reduce new HIV infections and improve the quality of life of its members in the community by breaking barriers and building community. Aid Atlanta has been providing HIV and AIDS related services, care, and education since it evolved in 1982. This organization has quickly expanded to engage Black and Latino populations and meet the involvement needs of our diverse community in response to the epidemic, according to aidatlanta.org. I have just described to you what this organization is. Now let's discuss what they do. Even though Aid Atlanta is a nonprofit organization, they still continue to actively work in communities of high impact to reach those most at risk of HIV or living without knowing their status. According to aidatlanta.org, they offer a broad range of services and has grown to be the most comprehensive aid organization in the Southeast. Aid Atlanta currently offers HIV prevention and care services, including but not limited to primary care, HIV and STD screenings, PrEP, community HIV prevention, linkage services, case management, and a statewide information hotline. They also host aid walks and a 5K run to help raise money for their organization. We have discussed what this organization does. Now let's talk about what you can do to help. Mr. Burton felt that the Atlanta area needed his help with this rising epidemic. He created a place where people can come and get treatment and get educated about this disease without feeling unwanted by society. Aid Atlanta is a friendly environment. This organization has helped plenty of people living with the virus in Atlanta, including my uncle. Get involved. Donate. Your donations can help save a life. Our proceeds goes to providing medication and housing for their patient. Today we discuss issues that prompted the development of this organization. Remember, this could be you or your family member. This disease does not discriminate. We need Aid Atlanta to continue serving our Midtown Atlanta area to help target the rising epidemic of HIV and AIDS. In life, we all have made some bad choices. Don't judge a person for their way of life. Embrace them and let them know that they're not alone. We're all fighting some sort of battle.